Hello friends, and welcome to another episode of the All Sales Aside, the Asian edition. And this is your host, Jack. And today we are exploring a topic close to many hearts: sales strategies for introverts, overcoming personal barriers to becoming a successful salesperson. Well, is that you? Well, we will see. Okay, so being an introvert in the sales world can sometimes feel like a fish out of water. However, believe it or not, introverts possess unique qualities that can give them an unfair advantage in sales. With a simple shift in mindset, strategic preparation, and leveraging their innate strengths, introverts can excel in this field. They can build genuine and lasting relationships with clients by utilizing their exceptional listening skills, ability to connect deeply with others, and preference for thoughtful and meaningful interactions. This allows introverts to establish trust, understand customers' needs on a deeper level, and provide tailored solutions that resonate with their clients. So if you are an introvert considering a career in sales, remember that your introversion is not a limitation, but a strength waiting to be harnessed. Embrace your unique qualities and watch yourself thrive in sales world. So let's begin with the story of Matthew Pollard, known as the Rapid Growth Guide. Matthew is an introvert who has excelled in sales, demonstrating that introversion is not a barrier but a strength. He emphasizes the importance of preparation, crafting a compelling narrative, and understanding customers' needs. His process, detailed in his book called The Introvert's Edge, has helped countless introverts excel in sales. And another excellent example is Mark Roberge, former Chief Revenue Officer at HubSpot. Despite being an introvert, Mark found success by focusing on data-driven strategies and one-on-one conversations. He leveraged his analytical skills, a typical introvert's strength, to build effective sales strategies. But what if you are an introvert who dreads cold calling? Well, you're not alone. Many successful salespeople have found ways around this hurdle. Jill Conrad, the author of Selling to Big Companies, suggests shifting the focus from selling to setting up meetings. She recommends using personalized emails and LinkedIn messages to initiate conversations. This strategy plays well to an introvert's strength in writing and personal connection. Well, lastly, let's look at Patricia Weber, a recognized authority on selling for introverts. Patricia, as an introvert, emphasizes the importance of active listening in sales. You can provide tailored solutions by truly understanding a customer's needs and concerns. This approach, she argues, often leads to a more successful sales outcome than aggressive selling techniques. Okay, so now is the time for your assignment. Reflect on your strengths as an introvert. Perhaps you are a great listener or excel at deep one-on-one conversation. Identify one way to leverage these strengths in your sales approach this week. Remember, being an introvert is not a disadvantage in sales. It is a unique strength that can set you apart from the crowd. And finally, remember, my friends, being an introvert in sales isn't about overcoming who you are. It's about leveraging your unique strengths and finding strategies that work for you. So keep showing up, be true to yourself, and striving for success. So that's all for today's episode of All Sales Aside, the Asian edition. Once again, I'm your host, Jack, and until next time, let's keep building trust and selling with confidence. Goodbye.